Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 17 minus 6 is equal to 11. Then again 17 minus 6 is equal to also 11. Okay. Now 11 multiply 11 is equal to 1 to 1. Okay. 121. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS PEM DAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. First and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay. So is equal to 17 minus 6. Now solve this parenthesis. 17 minus 6 is equal to 11. Okay, here is multiplication. Now 17 minus 6 multiply 11 is equal to 66. Okay, so now 66 minus 17 is equal to minus 49. Okay, so the correct answer is minus 49. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.